windshield wiper switch because it's only on, off, on, off. The new one has this meter for it. I'm gonna switch the old switch with the new one and see if it works. So beneath the steering wheel, you'll see these holes right here. And inside these holes, you'll have screws. And there's 3 of those. This will get in the way. And this just pops off. Like that. A screw here and a screw here that you have to remove. Now that that's done, you'll see kind of like clip things here that will come off. And then get this part out of the light switch, like this. You can see mine's pretty clean. That's because I just cleaned it recently. But now would be your chance to get all the dust out of that stuff. So now this just comes right off. This top one is a bit tricky. On top of this, maybe you'll see this rubber part and you'll see 2 screws. You unscrew this one and then you unscrew the other one. This just comes off. So that comes out. Move that out of the way. And this should just pop right out. This is the old one I was talking about. It only has low, high, low type of thing. Now before putting this in, it came kind of dusty. So I'm gonna clean it. You just plug this back in where it was on the old one. And it just clicks. Then this will fit in the exact same spot. Right here. If I like touch this, it doesn't wiggle, but if you don't match the holes correctly, it will wiggle. There's a screw here, 1 here, 3 here. You pry it just until you hear a clip, unclip. You carefully click the rest off, like that. So that fits in right there. Then you gotta do the bottom. Cool. And now it's just the water. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if it helped.